My makeup is 2T, okay? It's 2T. Okay, I did it on TikTok live tonight. And it's time to take it off, but I'm not gonna lie. It is so cute. I hate to take it off. Oh my god. But it is 11 o'clock at night, so it's time for me to take it off. Anyway, girl, should I upload this to YouTube? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Got flawless. Bye. All right, the girls have spoken and they say, Kai, please upload this beautiful makeup look to YouTube. So here we go. Let's get straight into it, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am Kai Smith, the makeup educator. Today we're going to be using my palette from my brand called the Thorn Shade palette. I'm sorry. We're going to go in with shade number 18 first. And we're going to go right in and start blending that in. Not packing this time. We're going to go in and start blending. This is going to be our transition color. And we just want a light wash of that color. We're going to start in a crease and we're going to blend it up towards the brow bone. You already know not to go all the way up to the arch, okay? What we do on one side, we're going to do on the other side. You want to blend it nice until you get a beautiful color payoff. Next, we're going to go into the shade number 26, okay? That's this darker shade right here. We're going to take that and we're going to start packing that into the crease. I did switch brushes because I want the full pigment of this particular color, okay? Now, we're going to pack this low, in the low crease. That means right above my eyelid, I'm going to pack this. While I was on live, I was talking about making sure that you separate the colors so that you could get a beautiful blend and see all of the colors, okay? Next, I'm going to take number 18, which was the first color that I used, and I'm going to blend number 26 out. I'm going to put the brush on the line where the darker shadow is and begin to blend it out. Now, what I want to do right now is I want to merge both of the eyeshadows. So I'm going to go right in between the pink and the burgundy color so we can blend in between so you can make a beautiful in-between color so we could have a ombre eyeshadow effect. I hope that makes sense. All right. So here I'm taking number 18 again and we just blending out the top. Next, we're going to go to the eyelid and we're going to use this beautiful pale pink. That's number 11 in my Thorn Shade eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going to take my concealer brush and we're going to just pat the lid, okay? Always keep your concealer brush handy. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take a powder puff. It's not pictured yet. We're going to take a powder puff and we're going to go into number 18. And we're actually going to apply number 11, which is the light pale pink shade. We're going to apply that to the eyelid. So hold on, here we go, guys. We're going to go in number 11. And we're going to take this powder puff. This is an eyeshadow hack that I like to use. We're going to rub it into shade number 11. All right, just like that. And we're going to start patting it on the lid. I love using the powder puff, especially for matte eyeshadows. It's going to get the eyeshadow on the lid fast and it's going to have a strong pigmentation. Whenever you use a brush, you got to put the brush in the shadow, pack, put it back in the shadow, pack, keep packing. With the powder puff, though, I find that it's so easy. And you know, I'm all about teaching you guys how to do your makeup the easiest way possible. So whenever I find a beautiful hack, baby, I'm going to share it with the girls. So try this and let me know how you like it. If you've already tried it before, then awesome. Okay, we're going to put that on the lid just like that. And we got maximum pigment. We love that. I'm just going back to make sure that the eyelids are even. And then once I put the light pink down, I'm going to go back in with the second brush that I use that has a dark eyeshadow on it. And I'm going to go right in between the light pink and the dark shadow. And we're going to just blend in between so we can have a smooth transition, okay? So all of the shadows look nice and smooth. Again, I use my Thorn Shade eyeshadow palette. I'll link it down below so you guys could get it. We just restocked. And we do still have some left. So make sure you grab you one if you want to support my brand. I am the founder of my own company called Enhanced Beauty Enhanced Beauty Cosmetics, I'm sorry. Now what you see me doing is doing a wing liner. Okay, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Easy liner, and I don't want a big fat liner because I want my eyeshadow to show. So I don't want to cover my shadow with a big fat liner. So I want a beautiful little thin demure liner, just like that. Pretty. All right. I'm gonna go back in one more time to make sure that my line is straight. Okay, whenever you're doing eyeliner, just make sure that your lines are straight so that you can get a nice, even, and beautiful application. Look at that. Gorgeous. You already know I'm going in on my bottom lash line, on my bottom waterline with the Essence Stay and Play gel liner, okay? It's nice and creamy. It go on fast and it's waterproof. So I love that. That's it for the eyes for now. I'm gonna go in and do my face. Okay. Let me know if you guys would like me to do um a foundation highlight and contour routine, a full video on that. Because the routine is sickening. Everybody always go crazy when I do it. If you want to know what foundation I'm using, I am using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Okay. Next, I'm going back into my eyes because this is mostly an eyeshadow tutorial. And I'm going with number 18. And I'm going to go right under the lash line with a small detail brush. And we're going to put some color under the lash line. It always looks so pretty. Look at that. It just tie everything together. Next, I'm going in with some wispy lashes. All right. And I'm just showing the girls how to put the lashes on. They wanted me to show them how to put lashes on the easiest way possible. If you guys do not know, I do have a eyelash course that you could purchase. Okay. It's a video course that you'll always have access to. I'll link it down below. It show you how to put your eyelashes on under 5 minutes. Okay. I have a beautiful hack for that. And you get a product list with the class and you always have access to it. All right. So I'm just letting you guys see the process right here of how I put my lashes on. All right. Just like that, baby. It's up and it's stuck. Okay. The lashes is on and I'm looking cute, baby. The makeup look is done. All right. See y'all later. Make sure you subscribe. Bye, ladies.